Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are well and making a good profit with the help of our free signals and our course, which is also free. If you want to avail of it, you can text me on Telegram at bbinarysupport. The link is in the description. I have already made a video on the fractal indicator. So this video is also about the fractal indicator. But in this video, I will introduce how you can take trades in the continuation direction. Let's see how it works. I have $500 in my account. So let's start our video. First, we will go to the indicator and select fractal with the default setting of 2. Let's find our first trade. When the candle breaks the level, we can proceed in the continuation direction. On Pfizer OTC, there is a trade for an upside move. So let's wait for the candle to close. Okay. The candle closed above the level, so I proceeded for the upside move on Pfizer OTC with $500. With just a few seconds left, I won my first trade. Now my balance has turned into $960. Let's find a trade for $960. On Cardano OTC, there was a trade for an upside move, so let's wait for the candle to close. If the current candle closes above the level, then we can proceed. Okay, the candle closed above the level, so I placed my next trade for an upside move on Cardano OTC for $960. The trade was also going in our favor right now, and you could see that a strong green candle was forming. With only a few seconds left, however, the trade reversed in the last second, so my amount was reversed. I placed my trade again on the same asset for $960 as the candle had left a huge wick. That's why I proceeded again for $960 on the same asset, Cardano OTC, for the upside move. The trade was going in our favor, and you could see the candle fulfilled the previous candle's wick. With only a few seconds left, I won my trade again. Now my balance turned into $1,756. Let's find a trade for $1,756 on Solana OTC. There was a trade, and if this candle breaks the level or closes at the level, then we can proceed for the upside move in the continuation direction. Let's wait for the candle to close. Okay, the candle closed at the level, so I proceeded for the upside move on Solana OTC for $1,756. The trade was also going in our favor, and with only a few seconds left, you could see that a strong green candle was forming. I won my trade again. Now my balance turned into $3,372. Let's find a trade for $3,372 on Solana OTC again. We have a trade for the upside move. You can see that the candle broke the level, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. With only a few seconds remaining, I won my trade. Now my balance has turned into $5,935. I will stop here. I hope you understand how this indicator works on the continuation direction and how you can take trades based on it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. If you want more videos like this or have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.